going to give you a tour of NFTz.me. NFTz.me is an NFT marketplace and community currently built on the DeSo blockchain, but we are soon going to be integrating with other blockchains such as Ethereum, Solana, and several others. So to get started, I want to show you simply how to log in. You'll up on the right-hand corner of NFTz.me, you'll see a login button. If you click on that, you will have the option to sign up. You can sign up using a DeSo seed or even sign up with Google login. I'm already logged in, so I'm just going to click on my username here, Krasenstein. And once you logged in, you're going to see a menu pop up. To open and close that menu, you're just going to use this little X up there and then the hamburger menu. But you'll see several options over here on the left-hand side. You'll see NFTz Home, which is just going to take you to the home page. Here you see some notifications popping up because I have some notifications. But you also see Feed, and Feed is going to show you the latest NFTs. This also shows on the home page down here. If you click on Feed, it's just going to take you to the current feed of NFTs. This is just all the latest NFTs that have been minted, and this has endless scrolling, so you can sit here and just scroll forever and see all of the NFTs that as they come in. Going back to the menu, you'll also see social, and social is our new social section where it kind of merges social media into NFTs. We're still working on this. We have a whole lot of new stuff coming in regard to social and NFTz.me. But currently, if you click on that, you'll be able to search for social post by hashtag, by text, etc. Then you will see under that offer. And if you click on offers, it's going to show you the highest offers in the last 24 hours made on NFT. So offers are like bids. Some might be viewed as bids if it's an auction. It might be viewed as an offer if it's just up for buy now. Then under that, you're going to see NFT collections. You also can see NFT collections on the NFTz homepage right here. But if you click on collections here, you're going to get several more collections. And these are just some of the more popular collections that are currently on NFTz. Then if you look under collections, you're going to see these other user options such as new post, new NFT, notifications, manage galleries, and settings. If you click on manage galleries, you're going to be able to manage your own gallery that you created. So on NFTz, you're going to be able to create galleries that are categorized. And I'll show you, this is where you manage your gallery. You can create a new gallery. If you click on this, you can do new, and it'll open up a new one. And to add something in gallery, you simply just move something from all your NFTs, which you can filter, over to this side. And I'll show you what a gallery looks like. If you go to the Krasenstein zone, which is just your username.nftz.me, you'll be transferred to that user's zone. And as you see here, these are my featured NFTs. So I created a feature gallery, and it's displaying all the my featured NFTs here. But there's also other galleries, like we created the Clout Dog gallery. So if you view another gallery, if you create a gallery, you can categorize your NFTs into different categories. And here you see the Clout Dog 10K gallery. So these are all of our Clout Dog 10K that we wanted to feature in this specific gallery. So every user has the ability to customize their own zone, and your zone is just your username.nftz.me. And in customization, you can create galleries for anything you want. You could say, horseshoe NFTs and only show NFTs of horseshoes. I don't know why I came up with horseshoes, but you could say, NFTs with green backgrounds, and then add those into that collection, into that gallery, I should say. And you can also view what I have for sale. You can view what I've created, what I've sold, what I currently own, and what is currently on the secondary market that others are currently selling. So going back to the menu up here, you'll also see, I'll go back to the homepage tab. You'll also see, right here, you'll see settings. And settings allows you to customize your zone, include your Twitter handle, Instagram, Discord, Telegram, a website URL. You can also get a Google Analytics code If you have a Google Analytics account, you can paste your code here, click save, and then you can track all the traffic that comes to your particular NFTz zone, which is a really cool feature. You can see all the traffic details, people coming to view your NFTs. You can also upload a high resolution avatar / app icon. As many people know, on DeSo, you have very small avatars. So if you want a bigger avatar, you can upload it here by browsing or dragging and dropping it. This also acts as your app icon. So if you create an app out of your zone and want to put that web app on your iPhone or Android device, this will be the icon that shows as your app icon, which is really cool because people can create apps for different NFT zones, different NFT collections, and easily access them from their smartphone by just clicking on that app icon. And if anybody else makes an app, anybody else wants to save your zone as an app on their iPhone or Android device, this is the icon that will show. You can also create a background header, like you would have seen. If you go to any collection, you'll see a lot of the big collections have a background header on their zone. This is how you upload that header. Moving on, I'll just take you briefly back to the home page. Again, you'll see featured collections up here, some of the top collections. These change. We have some of them on a rotation. This is, again, the feed of the latest NFTs minted. This is our 3D showcase. And this 3D showcase allows you to just browse some 3D NFTs. And you'll notice a lot of these are animated. There's some really cool 3D NFTs here. I'm going to get more into this when I get into the minting process of NFTs. But this is something that we just released, and it's something that we think really has a ton of potential. I'll just briefly show you this 3D NFT. This is a test one, Little Tokyo 3D model. If you click on Show 3D, this is going to load it as a 3D model that you can interact with. And what's really cool, as you'll note, some of these might take some time to load because some of them are really large files. Most of these NFTs are also viewable in VR. So if you have a VR headset, you can click on VR, and you'll actually be able to walk around this object. And here you'll see I can maneuver around just directly from my desktop or mobile device. I can zoom out, zoom in. I can even move into the object. I can move it around. I can rotate it. But look, I can zoom right into the inside of this 3D model. Is that crazy or what? I can just kind of look all around this thing. And you can do this with any 3D model. And what's great about NFTz is that we give you these tools that essentially no other NFT platform has done yet. And it's something we think is going to be huge in the future. And we're actually working on creating something called mini metaverses for NFTs. And we're going to release that in several months down the line. But we're really excited to see this is an animated 3D NFT that you can just maneuver however you want. You can also, this is really cool, you can take the sky off, or you can actually change the sky, have clouds instead of outer space. And it can just be a city floating in clouds. Or you could even add a room, and this NFT is situated inside a room. There's a lot of stuff you can do here. You can stop it from playing. And this is what our 3D experience is right now, but there's so much more coming. Now I'm going to show you how the minting process goes, particularly for 3D NFTs. I'm going to log out here, sign out, and I'm going to log in with another account, which is a test account that I have, NFTs Daily. So now I'm logged in with this other account, and I'm going to just click on mint. And this is going to take me to a minting section for NFTs. And I'm just going to type robot 3D test NFT. And as you'll note, you can use an AR Weave link if you want. You can drag and drop your images. But since I'm doing 3D, I'm going to click right here on 3D. And this is going to enable 3D options. You can also add tags. This helps with search. I'll do 3D robot technology. and I'll add those tags. Actually, you have to do one at a time. I'm sorry. 3D robot technology. You can add up to 5 tags. So now you're going to have the 3D options. You're not going to utilize this because it's a 3D option, 3D NFT. So you're going to come down here and you're going to find your 3D NFT. And I'm going to click right here and upload the GLB file. And that's going to upload. I'm going to click on prepare assets. Now this is going to upload it and prepare it. All right, its upload has been complete. Now you see the NFT I just uploaded. You can also make it dance. You can make it jump. You can make it just stand. And then you can change all of the lighting around. So maybe you want to have some lighting from above. Or maybe you want some lighting from the left. Add a little lighting from the left. And then a little bit from the back. And then you want to create a screenshot. So this is the screenshot that you're going to use when it shows in the NFT marketplace. So you can do capture rotating GIF, which will make it rotate. You can do screenshot, which will just be a screenshot like this. Or you can use what you already had in the file. So rotating is going to make it do something like that. And then you're just going to click right here. It should be added up here. Make sure it uploads complete. And then I'm going to click next, prepare for mint. All right, it says it's ready to mint. Now here I'm going to select a category. I will do 3D objects. It's just one copy, royalty 10%, coin holder royalty. I'm going to set it 0. I want to put it on sale. I don't want to give anyone else royalties. If I want to give any other DeSo user royalties, I can just simply do that here by typing in their username and then the percentage I want to give. And I can add multiple royalties for multiple people. And I'm just going to set the price at 1 DeSo, which is approximately $10.44. And I'm not going to do buy now. I'm just going to set it as an auction. And then I'm just going to make sure everything looks good up here. It does. And I'm going to click Mint NFT. And this might take a few seconds. And it has been minted. The NFT has been minted, and there it shows my rotation. And anyone can now bid on this NFT. They can also view it in 3D like I showed you before. And view him. He's in outer space. You can view him dancing or punching. All kind of really cool options. You could just give it a black background, a white background. Put him back in that room that I talked about earlier. And you can zoom in, zoom out. And again, if you had VR headset, you could actually put your headset on and walk around this robot, which is really cool. There's also full screen. I won't show you because it's not going to record right, but it would essentially put this all on full screen. Let me see what it looks. Yeah, so that's, you can see that. So that's that, and I think, you know, that's really cool how you can do all these things with your 3D NFTs. We have so much more coming though. We really plan on integrating NFTs with the metaverse. So this is just step 1, and there's going to be so much more that comes. Now I'm going to go back to sign out and log back in with my other account because I want to show you some notifications that we have up here. I'm going to go back to the home page. Now, if I click here, you're going to see notifications, and I have a bid to be accepted. Somebody bid on an NFT, so I can accept the bid directly from here. There's also notifications for open transfers. These are all transfers of NFTs that others have transferred to my account. Thank you to Diego Robot for transferring this. I'm going to accept it. Oh, it looks like it's already been accepted, but this is where you will accept NFTs which have been transferred to you, and I don't know why I'm getting this error, but normally you won't get that error. And then there's also my bids. So these are NFTs that I have current open bids on or open offers on. And it's just showing my bid. I can cancel my bid if I'd like. For example, I can click here and it will cancel my bid. So that's essentially NFTz. I'll show you quickly what a collection will look like. For example, this is the Unicat collection, and this is their NFTs. I'll do one that has a so Unicat. You can go directly to their Unicat zone by clicking this button, which will be more customized. They don't have a background header. I wanted to show one that has a background header. So I'll go back and show a collection for, let's do Natterheads. So go to there. This isn't the zone. This is the zone. So see, it has a background header. These are all Natterheads, NFTs that have been minted by the Natterhead account. It shows your top holders of Natterhead NFTs. The last collection, let's check. This is one of the collections in Natterhead. And in the collections, you're going to be able to sort by traits, by rarity, all kinds of things. You could say you want only Natterheads with beards, and you're going to see only Natterheads with beards. You could say only Natterheads with flags and beards. So here's Natterheads with flags and beards. So those are our options we have there. You can also filter traits. You can search for traits. Filter text in the post of the NFT, so the body text of the NFT, and then here you can go. You're searching by that one collection. So essentially, that's NFTz in a nutshell. I will show you how you can bid. This NFT is currently for sale. You can make an offer by just clicking on offer. You just type in the amount of DeSo you want to offer, and then you have to be logged in. I'm not logged in this zone. I'll log in real quick. And then you just click offer now. You can also make a fast offer by just bidding $1 or $5 or $10 over the current top bid, which is a really interesting way of quickly and easily bidding on an NFT. And you also see here you can like, diamond, or repost these NFTs. And of course, this is being done on the DeSo blockchain when you repost or like or diamond. You can also comment on it if you want. Great NFT, I'll say. I just add my comment, and my comment should show up right here. And then somebody can even diamond me or like my comment. And of course, diamonds on NFTz equate to money. So you're getting paid fractions of a penny for one diamond, but you can earn up to hundreds or even thousands of dollars if somebody gives you a very large diamond. And you can see I can like my comment. I can't like my own, but I can like this NFT. And you can also go to the next NFT. So say you're go back to the Natterheads, one of the collections on Natterhead, the Natterheads collection. You can click on any of these and I want to sort them by rarity. So let's say I'm going to sort by rarity over here. You can sort by a lot of different things. I'm going to do rarity score. I'm sorting by rarity score. So now you're going to see the most rare. And I'll just start with number 10. NFT rarity number 10. And now they're in order by rarity, and I can go to the next rare. So see here, this is number 11 of 106. If I want to see number 12, I can go next. The 12th most rare Natterhead. The 13th most rare Natterhead. And you just keep going and flipping through them like this, which is really cool. And some of them are for sale. You can see who owns them, the owner history, the royalties over here. And I think I've shown off most of what NFTz.me has currently, but we're building so much more. We're building what we call mini metaverses, and that should be coming in the next several months. We're going to be integrating with Ethereum and Solana. We're also going to be integrating with some other chains as well. And we're also, in the next couple of months, we're going to be seeking seed funding. Of course, NFTz receives pre-seed funding from the DeSo Foundation. We look to expand greatly. We have some really unique social aspects that we're going to be bringing into NFTz that nobody's ever seen before within the NFT space. And because of that, we're going to be raising a seed round, and we're going to be looking to raise more funding in the next couple of months. We're going to be reaching out to some VCs and other investors to launch a seed round, which we think will propel us into becoming one of the most unique, innovative NFT communities and marketplaces on the internet. So that's what I have for today. Definitely check out NFTz.me and talk to everybody later.